Izambote, vamos kutala wina tutondele, makwiza. Welcome, thank you very much for being there. We are going to learn Kikongo, the language of Congo Kingdom. We have in our virtual studio a very brave lady. Okay, let me try. Let me start by greeting our friend, our sister, Kiambote.
Kiambote.
Tunama vimpie.
Engeta tunumovimpe tutondole.
Tutondole. Okay, let me just share my screen. Okay, I think it's there. Okay. My screen is there. Yes, this one. You can see my screen.
Yes.
Yeah, remember we did just a quick review. Just going to make sure we understand. Let me just move my. Yes.
Do you want me to
Last time we learned about pronoun. We call them possessives in Kikongo because it's not used the same way as in English or any Western language. Adjectives are called relatives because of the way they are used. Okay, this is grammar. Would you like to read? Would you like to read? Just for because the people are watching, they want to follow.
Okay.
Pamela, thank
Sure.
you.
Professor Hazel Carter's dissertation for the degree of PhD, February 1971, University of London, SOS, took 4 years and produced 484 pages of Kikongo language, Kizombo. This work is unique because there has never been a comprehensive study on Kikongo language before. Our gratitude is to the Reverend Papa Yawo Mekondekwo for his special contributions during Professor Carter's dissertation work. Dequeno Katula. Please acknowledge and respect other people's achievements.
Oh, thank you very much, Pamela. Thank you. This is the meaning. I mean, Dequeno Katula means people, because we need to respect other people's achievements. Okay, this same thing.
Coming up.
We did this last time. We're going to do it now again. We did well last time. Just this, we're just reviewing. We just remember. Ame, aku, andi, eto, eno, au. Yes.
So ame, me.
Mine.
Mine. Okay. Au, you.
Yours. Pronoun. Yeah, we're talking. Yeah, yours.
I'm saying it wrong. Eto,
you're right.
ours.
Andy, hers.
Andy, his, hers. Yes.
Yeah.
Eno.
Eto. Ours. Yes.
And Eno. Is that yours? Eno?
Yes.
Yours?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Person, plural. Then third person, plural. Au. Yeah, well done.
It's Awu is theirs?
Correct. Yes.
Okay. All right.
Andy, his, hers.
Hers.
Au, theirs. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Kwenda.
Kwenda is to go. Kwiza, to come. Remember how we make negative. We got K, then the ko. I think you remember K, the vowel here. You remember?
Yep.
Remember, then we got another vowel here. Okay, let's say I'm not going.
Kwenda. Cool.
Now, you use the first vowel, K with a vowel. Remember the vowel?
Oh, is it Kwendako? Is it Kwendako?
Well done. So the first vowel with this letter, the vowel that goes with this letter is I. Then that one the consonant, okay, the vowel is O. So if you were to make a negative, form a negative sentence, small sentence,
It would be
so you go
Kikwenda,
ki,
Kikwenda,
yeah, good, good, then
and
ko.
okay, so okay, Kikwenda ko.
Well done. Okay, you are not coming.
So Kikwiza,
Yes, then
Kwikiza ko. No,
well done, well done, well
okay, it is
done.
okay, Kwikiza ko.
Quiz a ko.
All right.
Yeah. Remember, this is, I mean, we'll be learning as we go along. Keep repeating itself, Kiko, always the negative.
Okay, Kikwenda ko.
Mm, 1 minute, let me check here. Okay.
Kikwenda.
Ngikwendako. Okay, this one just to help you to understand, but this is not the translation, correct translation, just to get it. Remember, if you put aside the ma, ma,
Mm-hmm.
the root is there, kwenda, which is
Mm-hmm.
going.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing here, quiza, coming. So the way to remember it easily is, I mean, for you in your case, English speaking, makwenda, put just in your mind. I mean, remember as outgoing calls.
Mm-hmm.
Makwiza, incoming calls. Okay, yes. Well done. Okay, let us move to a different slide. Give me 2 minutes. 1 minute, I should do one quickly. The other one is, yeah, this one we did it as well last time. Because the aim of the course is to help us to learn to speak. Mm. We don't want to rush. We don't want to kick box to just to kick
Right.
boxes for the sake of kicking. Are we doing this? No, no, no. We want to make sure we're getting it. Because this work is very. I mean, it is unique, you know. Okay.
Adjectives in Bantu languages are called relative.
Yes. I think next slide explains. Yeah. Over to you, please.
Adjectives in Bantu languages are called relative because exactly from a grammatical point of view, they always agree with the nouns they modify. For example, kiaki, kian, kiaki,
Kikutu, kiaku,
kiaku,
yambwaki,
kiambaki,
yambutumbote.
kiambote,
Well, well done,
kiambote.
Mutumbote.
As well, no, as you can see, the noun is kenkutu. All the other words are key in agreement.
Yes, you don't need to remember anything here. Just remember
The
you
key,
can see we call it. They're not really as in French or English language, but it's relative because you see how it's used here. Okay, let's see next slide.
all these words in the annals of Bantu languages are called relative.
Yes, thank you.
Its equivalents in the classification of Indo-European language would be as follow. Kiaki is demonstrated of kiaku is a possessive. Kiambwaki is an adjective denoting color, and kiambote and bote is adjective qualifying opinion in the superlative.
Yeah, thank you very much. Mbwaki is color. Red. Mbwaki is red.
Mbwaki is red.
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember,
Mino, meno.
Miapembe.
Miampembe, miambote, embote.
Remember the meaning? Dino, tooth. This is plural.
And the other one is meno, right? Or mino.
As I said last time, always remember, M is always the prefix.
So it's mino, right?
Eno is the main thing. Remember, Eno is second person. So, meno, I mean, meno.
Meno.
Teeth yours, I mean, literally speaking, reading, translation. Meno, your teeth, your white teeth are very nice, very, very nice. Okay, good. Okay. Remember, ame, aku. Some region they say army. Remember languages everywhere you go. This army,
Yeah,
army, army.
you have
Sorry.
to change your slide.
Yeah, I'm going there. Don't give
Okay.
money.
All right. So, ame, mine, aku, yours,
Mm-hmm.
ande, his or hers,
Mm-hmm.
eno,
Yes.
eto, ours,
Yes.
eno,
Yours.
yours, and
Second
awu, awu,
theirs.
theirs. Okay.
Well done. Well done. Well done. Yes. Okay. Let me just try to find my other slide. Well done. Well done. Okay, we're going to the main lesson. I think just same thing we did last time. Just going back to review.
Okay. I have to pull my
1 minute.
notes out. Oh, you want me to read this again?
1 minute. Mm,
Okay.
mm,
Congo language course,
mhm,
Malunge Makikungo
mhm.
Kizombo by Professor Hazel Carter and the
Mm.
Reverend Jao Mekondwika,
Nakonde kusi, yes. Mm.
almost, Joan Hazel Carter, February 22nd, 1928 to March 8th, 2016, received
Mm,
her doctorate with the dissertation Syntactic Tone, Phrases, and Congo, Kikongo Language.
mm.
African Studies Program, Department of African Language and Literature, University of Wisconsin-Madison, USA, May 1987.
Wow, well done. Thank you very much. Remember, 4 years, yes. Then this one, it is online on our website. This work, mm.
Mhm.
Synthetic tone phrase in Kikongo, 400 pages.
I
Yes,
know.
remember those days. Remember typewriter. Remember
Mhm.
same font, same how do you call it? Same font, same size. Yes. So imagine.
It's in a PDF.
Sorry.
It's a whole book. It's in a PDF if you can get it.
Correct.
I've seen
Correct.
it.
So
Yes,
to have a 400 pages, it is a lot.
I know. I was trying to read it.
Good work. So the course we have in here, I mean, this book we're following, it is based on this work. See. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, please.
The course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo.
Mm,
These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as some language
mm,
laboratory courses, excuse me.
mm.
That's it. That's
Yes, let me just move to the next one. Thank you. Thank you, Pam. Okay. So today is the third lesson. Sorry, third section. Lesson 2, third section.
is,
Yeah.
who popped up? Oh,
So
okay.
no, we're going straight to the main one to save time. Would you like to read? This is the pattern we're following. The pattern.
Okay.
Osinga, is it you are going to? Are you going to some? Hello. Isinga, yes, it's I am on the next one. Model, are you going to do some work? Mm. Salu Isinga Osinga Vanga. Literally, it means is it work that you are? Hello, Salu Isinga Vanga. Yes, I'm going to do some work. It is work that. Okay, now it's reading time. Yes.
Okay. So it's Salu Osinga Vange.
Well
Are you,
done, Salu Singavange. Well done. Remember, this is a long vowel, please. Yes.
yes. Salu Osinga Vange.
Yeah.
Are you going to do some work?
Mm-hmm.
Elo Salu Osinga Vanga. Yes.
Correct. Well,
Yes, I'm going to do some work.
I like the way you pronounce it. Very, very good. Very good. Long vowel. Singavanga. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Madja Osinga Yambe.
Lambe. Mm-hmm.
Lambe, are you going to cook food?
Mm.
Elo, Madja, and Singa Lamba.
Yeah,
Yes,
Singalamba. Well
I'm
done.
going to cook food. Madja Osingo De, are you
Mm-hmm.
going to eat food? Ela, Madia, and Singa, Madia. Yes, I'm going to eat.
I'm sorry, this is my type error. This is my mistake. Hello, Madia Isinga Dia. We just because Dia, ignore this
Singa,
ma.
Madia.
Dia.
Okay, Madia.
I like the way you pronounce here. Madia Singa Dia. Remember, Kikongo is an international language. Very good. Yes.
Okay, so Maza or Singa Nwe,
Well done.
are you going to drink water?
Mm-hmm.
Elo, Maza, and Singa Nwe, no, Noir. Yes,
Yes.
I'm going to drink. Yes, I'm going to drink.
Yeah, yes, thank you. Singanwa.
Singa
Mm-hmm.
Noir. Kikongo or Singa Bove, are you going to speak Kikongo?
Mm-hmm.
Elo, Kikongo, and Sanga Vova. Yes,
Singavo, yes.
I'm going
Kikongo o Singavove.
to Vove.
Hello. Kikongo o
Kikongo and
Singavove.
Singa Vova.
Yes, you're speaking Kikongo, see?
Okay, this one is Nakanda.
Oh, remember, ignore N. We don't read N.
Okay,
N is there to give a tonality, tone, a nasal, ka, ka. Mm-hmm.
okay.
We don't read N.
Kanda
Well done.
Osinga Tanye.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Are you going to read book letter?
Mm-hmm.
Elo Kanda and Singa Tanga.
Well
Yes,
done, well done,
yes,
yes,
I'm going to read.
yes. This one, N or M, same thing, just for your names of tone. Don't read it.
Okay, want me to read it again? Oh, okay.
No, no, just
Okay,
ignore the B, ignore the B, ignore the
Kim.
B.
Okay, Kimvumina Osenge and Way.
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to drink milk? Elo Kimvumina, no, Kimvumina and Sanga Noir. Yes, I'm going
Isinga,
to
can you repeat this? The Isinganwa,
Singa
Isinganwa.
Noir. And Singa
Isinga.
Noir.
Well done, Isinganwa.
Yes, I'm going to drink.
Mm.
Oh, okay. Watu Osinga Sumbwe.
Singasumbe, yes.
Sumbwe. Are you going to buy clothes? Elo, Vatu and Singa Sumbwa. Yes, I'm going to buy.
Can you repeat here, please? Isinga, yes.
Isinga Sumbwa.
Sumba, well done.
Sumba. Oh, Isinga Sumba. Okay. Yes, I'm going to buy. Okay. Kanda Osinga Soneke. Are you going to write book or letter? Elo. Kanda Isinga Soneka?
Yes, good. Isinga Soneka.
Okay.
I'm just going to test your knowledge a bit. Don't worry, don't panic. It's easy. Don't worry, you are alone. Don't worry. It's the question. The answer is in the question. Okay then. Okay.
Okay.
The second person.
Second person. So
Yes.
is it
Salu, you.
Salu?
Because here, is there anyway? Is there in English? There, I am Isinga, meaning me. Singa, you.
Oh, singer for me and I singer for you. So O is singular for me.
Second person, yeah.
Okay, are you okay? O, are you going? Okay, so O singer, are you going? And I singer is yes, I'm going. Okay.
Singer. Remember E. In Kikongo, you're not reading English. E singer E.
No, you know what? Know what it is? The reason why I have a hard time, my other language is Spanish, so I get a little so I have a hard time with pronunciation. Sorry.
Yeah, I understand because I speak Portuguese. You understand?
Yeah, so I get a little confused.
It's hard. Okay, let me try. Salu.
Salu Osenga Vangwe,
Vange.
Vange, and it's Elo Salu Isenga Vanga.
Well done, Vanga. Okay.
All right.
Okay. When I greet you, I get I say Lunama Vimpie.
Luna
Lu
Mavimbe.
is
Lu.
you.
You. Okay. Luna
Plural.
Mavimbe. That's you.
You many. It's
Mhm.
plural. Two. You remember your reply was Ingeta to singer. Let me just remove my
Get that to singer.
screen for 1 minute. I just want to check something. I don't want people to see my screen. 1 minute. I need to check. Uh, Thank you very much for being there. If you're following us, don't move. We just checking something quickly here. Uh, uh, Let me just check. Okay. Bear with me. Sorry. You know, live is always like this. As soon as you go live, things start happening. You can start, no matter how you test your stuff, but as soon as you go live, um, things do happen. Okay, that's fine. Okay, yes. How come this one? I'm just testing where we are broadcast,
Okay.
where we're having some issues. Things are not appearing here. Okay, no problem. Yes. I can Okay, we're going back to our slides. Where's my slide? Yeah, we're going back to. Let me just share it again. Sorry, Pam. You're doing well. Thank you very much. Wow.
No, thank you for teaching me. Okay.
Sorry.
I said thank you for having the time to teach us.
This
It's
is my
disappointing.
duty.
Oh, should I say tutondole?
Well done. Wow, you got it. See, I'm going back there to Tondele.
Mm-hmm.
You. Ah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So I'm going back there. We need to use the you. No, two for us
Two.
and Lu for you. You lots. You people. Sorry. Remember when I greet you, Lunama Vimpie? I'm saying,
So,
you people. How are you people? Are you well? You men,
mm-hmm.
are you well? Lu, remember Lu?
Lu. Mm-hmm.
Lu, in this course we're using Nu. Same thing, but let's use Lu because Lu is common. Lu is common. Lu or Nu is something you many. Two, TU, ours. Okay. I think you're going to
Lu is many. TU is us. Okay. Lu is many.
you,
TU
Lu is you, second person, plural.
is you.
Yes.
And
Two,
two is many.
us. Us.
Us. Okay.
Mm.
Two is us. Okay.
Remember, your reply is Engeta Tutondele. Yes, we thank you. Ingeta Tunama Vimpi. Yes, we are fine. Okay. Now, this is second person singular and
So,
first person singular. Now you're going to use second person plural. Then your answer will be a first person plural. Meaning that here we're going to have a lu and two.
okay. So,
Mm.
start. Okay. So, Lu Osenga Vange.
Well done. Can you read this full sentence, please?
Salu Osenga Vange.
Plural, please. You
Lu
did it. Yeah, you done it. Lu. Yeah.
Lu Osenga
Salu,
Vange. Oh,
Okay.
is it okay? Is it Sal? Okay, say it again.
Forget about the O. You use the Lu. Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
So is it Salu Lusenga Vange?
Got it. Yeah, correct. Well done. Then remember, reply to.
Elo Salu Tu and Isenga Vangwa. Vangwa.
Bang. Forget about the I. To here.
Two. Okay. So Salu Tusinga Vangwa.
Wow, Tusinga Vanga. Well done. See, you
Okay.
got it. See?
Okay.
See? Now you
Working on
know.
it.
Yeah, you know the second person singular. You know the first person singular. Then you know the second person plural as
Mm-hmm.
well as the first person plural. Now we're going to use only the plural. Plural. Are you with me?
I'm following.
You're
Okay.
doing well. Well done.
Okay. So is this one?
Plural as well. Forget about the first. Forget about O.
Mm-hmm.
Forget about the first vowel. Mm.
So is it Madhya Yasinga Yambe?
Yes, Lucinga Lambe, correct, yeah. You many, yes. Mm.
Elo Madhya Tusinga Yamba?
Well done, to Singa
Okay.
Lambe, yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
well
I'm
done.
going to cook.
Mm.
Okay. Madhya Lusinga Da.
Yes, well done.
Elo Madhya Tusinga Madhya.
My mistake, sir. Hello, my dear,
What is
to Singa, dear. Well done. You
so?
done
Wait a minute.
well.
What is okay? So what should I correct on? Is it Madhya?
No,
On
no,
what?
it's me, not you. This one,
Okay.
not dear, to Singa, dear. Just
Oh, oh. So it.
type error, yeah, don't.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. No, Maza
Mm-hmm.
Lusenga Nwe
Mm-hmm.
and Elo Maza Tusenga Nwa.
Yes, well done. Correct. We're going to drink.
Okay. Kikongo Lusenga Vove.
Okay, yes.
Elo Kenkungo Tusenga Voa.
Tizinga Vova. Wow, well
Tusenga
done. Well,
Vova. Yes.
see? Well done. Ignore the
Nakan
N, ignore the N. N is there for your nasal,
is for
your
pronunciation.
tonality. Yeah, yes.
Okay, so Kanda
Yes.
Lusenga
Tan.
Tanye,
Yes.
Elo, Kanda, Tusenga, Tanga.
Yeah, got it. Well done. Wow.
Ki Fumina,
Mm-hmm.
Tusenga, Nwe,
Yes.
Elo, Kimvumina, Tusengwa, Nwa.
Singano. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Watu, Lusenga, Sumbwe,
Sumbe. Yes.
Elo,
Voatu. Voatu.
Watu, Tusenga, Sumbwe,
Sumba.
Sumba.
Yes.
I get a little confused at the end.
Sorry.
Okay, it's Kanda,
Mm-hmm.
Lusenga, Soneke,
Soneke. Yeah.
Elo, Kanda,
Tusinga.
Tusenga, Sonake.
Soneka.
Oh, Sonaka.
Yes.
I don't get that
Wow.
time.
Well, I was expecting someone to join us later on, but I think they're not coming. Let me just remove my screen.
Okay.
Yes. Wow. Congratulations. You done well. I think you done well. We're stopping there. You done well.
Okay.
Just go and revise it. We move into the next lesson next time. Yeah, remember. Not go back to the number. Remember the number.
Oh, the number.
Avala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya,
Tanu.
Tanu, Sambanu, Tambwadia, Nana, Va, Kumi. Have you got it there? Don't. You got your number.
Okay.
You got your number on paper. Have you got it?
Yes, I do.
Oh, can you try to read it, please? Avala.
Let me do it because I'm gonna get confused. So Pavala, Mosi, Zole, Tatu, Ya, Tanu, Sambanu, Sambwadia, Nana, Wa, Kumi.
See, Jambote. You did write Jambote yesterday. I saw your comment online, live, you know. Jambote. Remember, you did send me. Wow, well done, Jambote. Wow, very good. I'm very impressed. Remember Then the adjective, I mean, we call it possessive, the pronoun. Ame, mm,
Ame,
aku,
me, aku,
yeah,
you,
and
Andy, he or
has his,
she.
yes,
Eno,
eto,
Eto. No, wait a minute.
yeah,
Eto, is it yours?
ours,
Ours. Eno is yours.
eno, yes, yes,
And
au,
Awu is
ve,
theirs. Theirs.
yeah,
Okay.
done. Wow, okay. Thank you very much for coming. Wow, you are very brave. You done it. Deserted, but alone, but still going. Okay, now you are going. I'm staying.
Um,
What do you say?
Sala
Yes,
Gimbote.
well done, Sala Kiambote.
Mhm.
Yes, yes. Let's do that all round. I'm going. You staying.
Oh no. Nusala Gimbote.
I'm going. You staying.
Oh.
Remember outgoing calls.
So not Winda. Winda.
Yeah,
Okay.
where,
Winda.
I'm going Wenda, yeah.
Wenda
Yeah,
Gimbote.
yeah, you got it. I
Okay.
just Wenda Kiambote. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you next time then.
See you next Sunday.
Thank
Tutondole.
you. Bye. Thank you
Right.
very much. Bye bye.